In this video, you'll learn how to design professional, eye-catching infographics without spending a single penny. Every infographic shown here is created using completely free tools, making this method perfect for students, researchers, and educators alike. Let's go through the process step by step. Open your browser. Search for ChatGPT. First, we will use ChatGPT to create prompt for infographic. Like I will write generate prompt for creating infographics for difference between research article and review article. Here you must have a topic for infographics. Press enter. Now ChatGPT will create professional prompt. Here you go. You got the prompt. Copy the prompt. Now open Google Gemini. Paste your prompt. Google Gemini will instantly generate an infographic based on your input. After that, download the infographic and carefully review it. Check the accuracy of the information, the layout, colors, and overall visual appeal. You can refine your prompt and regenerate the design if needed to get even better results. As you can see, the final infographics look clean, professional, and are completely free to use. This approach saves time, effort, and money while delivering high-quality visuals for your research work. Thank you for watching.